Good morning, children. Welcome to Kids Arc Montessori offline classes, and the subject is English. Hope all are fine. Children, in the today's class, we are going to learn about the activities of the letters from A to N. Okay? But what we have learnt in the last previous class, children, you have learned how to recognize and identify the letters A to N and some of the words beginning with the letters, and you also learned how to write those alphabets. Okay, now in this class we are going to learn about the activities of those letters from A to N. Okay, now let us move to the activity part. Let us see which activity is this. Yes, children, this is the activity letter to letter matching. Now let us see what all the letters we can find here. Okay. Yes, children, in one side there are the set of alphabets from I to P. Okay. And on the other side there are the alphabets, same alphabets from I to P. Okay, now you need to match the same letters on the both sides. Okay, let us do it one by one. The first letter is I. Okay, children, can you find letter I here on the other side? Yes, it is here. Okay, children, now let us match the letter I on both the sides. Okay, this is how we do this activity. Similar way we will do all the other alphabets. Okay, yes, now one by one let us do J. The letter J is matched with the letter J on the other side. Okay, and the next letter K. K is matched with the K on the other side. And this is L. L is matched here on the other side. Okay, the letter M. Letter N. The letter O. This is the letter P. Children, this is how we match the letter to the letter on both the sides. Okay, hope you all have understood this activity. Yes, now let us move to the next activity. Look here, children, these are the set of alphabets on one side and the pictures on the other side starting with the same letter. You need to match the pictures with the letters beginning with those letters. First one is F, letter F. F is matched with the frog here, right? Frog on the other side. F for frog. Okay. And the second one, this is the letter H. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jam. And the last one, can you identify? Yes, this is the letter G. G is matched with goat. G for goat. Okay, this is the activity. Children, it's very easy to do. Yes, can we do one more? Let us do the other slide one by one. Okay, here are some set of the alphabets and the pictures relating to it on the other side. Let us match one by one the alphabets. Okay, this is the letter K. Letter K is matched with, yes, the kitten on the other side. K for kitten. M for monkey. N for nose, and L for lamp. Children, this is all about the activity, matching letters to pictures. Yes, you all have understood. Let us move to the next activity. What comes after? Okay. We can see the set of alphabets. Yes. What comes after the alphabet is the activity. Now let us see. It is the letter A. Okay. What comes after the letter A? This is the letter B. After A, B comes, right? The similar way, let us do all the activities. This is the letter F. What comes after letter F? Yes, it's G. Okay, here the letter is G. What comes after G? It is H, the letter H. And this is the letter N. Okay, this is the letter O. Letter O comes after the letter N. Okay, now similar way we will do the other set of alphabets. Okay, children. The first one here is K. And it is L. It is L, and the next letter is M. This is M. It is N. After N, what comes? Is the letter O. Okay, after O, the letter is P. Okay, children, this is the way we do the activity. Now, let us do some more. After J, it's the letter K. Okay. After P, what comes? It's the letter Q. And after K, it is the letter L. After N, O. After C, it is the letter D. These are the set of alphabets which comes after the letters. Right, children? This is the activity of what comes after. Got it? Children, hope you all have understood. Yes, now let us move to the next activity. This is the activity. We should circle the pictures that starts with the same alphabet sounds. Okay. It is the letter A here. You have to circle the pictures that begins with the letter A. Okay. Letter A. Here are 3 pictures, right? Children, it is apple, it is mango, and it is ant. Now let us see which picture starts from the same letter A. Okay. A for apple. Right, children? It's apple. It starts from the letter A. Let us circle the picture apple. Okay. And the next one. A for ant. Okay. Children, this is how we do this activity. A for apple and A for ant. Now let us see the next letter is B. B for bee. The honey bee. B for bee. And B for ball. Okay, children, this is how we do this activity. We have to circle the picture that starts from the same letter. Okay. Next alphabet is the letter C. C for car. And C for cake. Very good, children. It is the letter D. D for dog. And D for duck. Very good. It is the way we do. The letter E. E for elephant. And E for engine. Yes, children, this is the activity how we do, right? Let us move to the next activity. Yes, this is the activity of match the objects. Yes, here are the set of objects on one side and same set of objects are there here on the other side. You need to match the same pictures, match the same objects on the two sides. Yes, children, this is an umbrella, right? The green umbrella. Can we find the umbrella on the other side? Yes, it's here. Okay, let us match both of them. Very good, children. This is the way we do the activity, right? We match the objects like this. This is a ball. Can we find the ball here on the other side? Yes, it's here. We got it, right? Okay, we have matched the ball. Okay, the next one is a sandwich. Yes, the sandwich is matched on the other side also. And next, it is the bag. Bag is matched with the other bag on the other side. Yes, this is how we match the objects on the other sides. Okay, this is the activity. Children, okay, read well and do the activities revision. Till then, let us meet in the next video. Till then, bye for watching, children.